Hi, this is a live demonstration of editing a live site from a local environment. So as you can see, this is the website from this widget running from my local environment using the Vagrant. So in this live demonstration, I would like to change some of the design and style in our navigation because this design is really hard to see, and this name right here is really long. It's gonna make a mess when you see it on the mobile. So alright, let's get started. So before everything is set up, you make sure you're on the right branch. So currently I'm at the master branch, so I'm gonna change from my master to staging. And create a new branch called nav edit from staging. Alright, so I'm currently on the new branch. So whatever you do, you don't need to, you never update your changes on the master because this is the production. This is linked to the production sites, and this staging is linked to the staging site. So whatever you need to update or changes a little feature, you just clone this branch, and later if you are satisfied with the changes, you need to merge with this and merge with the master, so it will be in the production. Alright, so I'm gonna edit my navigations in my local site. So first of all, I need to rename my become part of us to a little short and yeah, join us. Okay, and I need to add a little shadows to see this contact this is covered with the white background. So I'm gonna add additional CSS and text shadows. And right, it is good to see and not bad. And after publish, I'm gonna check out on my local site. Alright, local site is updated, but you cannot see these changes in the live site, so we're gonna push it to the GitHub. Alright, after satisfied with my changes, I need to add 2 changes to my current nav edit branch. Right, and push it. Alright, after I push it to the navigation, I'm gonna re-merge with the staging. Oh, so I'm gonna switch to the staging site and merge with your edit feature. Nav edit. Oh, merge. Sorry, I think I misspelled something. Oh yeah. Edit. Alright, so we're gonna push it from our staging site. Yeah. Oops. Since I am editing, since I use brand CI to listen to my GitHub push, and when the GitHub is pushed to these respected sites, it will trigger the event in the branch and automatically deploy to the live server. So Recently I pushed the staging side, so this liner code is triggered, and you can see the changes and here in the staging side. So let me show you. Oh, but the GitHub is only push the PHP code, but in order to push the changes related to database, you also need to push your database to the live site. So I use MigrateDB Pro to push and pull the database from live site between the local site. So first of all, we need to test it. So we really don't need to double. We're not sure it is right or not. So we're gonna first push it to the staging site. Alright, this is from our local site to staging site, and then we check migrating events. Okay, and push. And after that is done, you can see the changes here in the staging site. So it's joined us now and has a little text shadow behind. Alright, everything is work, and now we're ready to update it to our live site. This is just a staging, to our production site. This is our production site, and it doesn't have updates yet. It's still the old style. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna merge the staging site to the master site, because our master branch is linked to the projection site. So I'm gonna go to my master branch. Oops. There. And I am at the staging site. I'm gonna go to master. Alright, I'm currently at the master branch, and I'm gonna merge my master with staging. Right, and if I push it, the event will trigger and update the production site. But before that, we also need to push our database to the production site. So like the previous event, we're gonna push it now to the deploy site. Right, check everything, our local site to deploy site, and database tables are right, options are right, and push. As you can see, this is only 6. When I update it, it's gonna be 7 because we push it to the master, so this event automatically update the live site. Alright, the migration is complete, and we can see the changes in our deploy site when I refresh. Oh yeah, there it is. And this is how you can update your live deploy site from a local environment. Thanks.